In this video, I am going to show you on how you can delete a ticket in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your Zendesk dashboard, you should by default be on view. But if you're not, simply click right here on your left panel. This is where you should see all your tickets categorized right here on your left panel. So choose the ticket that you want to delete and click on it. After that, you should see this option or this icon right here on the top left where a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can simply click on delete, confirm, and as easy as that, you now know how to delete a ticket in Zendesk. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.